without going too much into the strategy, into the merits, and to the weight of the evidence, but let me clarify that under the rules, it is allowed to present evidence to establish behavioral pattern, to establish propensity of a person to resort to violence, for example. So these are all allowed under the rules. But I'm sure you would understand why at this point we can't disclose the particular reasons why we will be presenting this witness.
Okay
Red,
po. Thank you po.
actions, magdadagdag ko lang, Red, actions and words, yung sabi ni Attorney Jay, actions and words are very apparent insofar as the Vice President is concerned. When she's angry, she gets too volatile. Nakita natin not only the way by which she threatened the sitting president and the First Lady and the former Speaker, but the way that she acted on certain issues that she thinks undermines her authority ay doon po sa issue nung sa sheriff na yon, nakita natin na sinuntok niya. It also speaks about Red. It also speaks about the attitude that she is yung impunity, the culture of impunity that we would try to address. And hindi dapat mangyari na ang bawat halal na opisyal ay dahil may certain privilege or may certain authority binigay sa iyo ay pwede mo nang umaksyon sa bagay na hindi naayon sa iyong ayon sa inyong tanggapan. So we actually see the attitude that kumbaga yung culture, yung impunity, yung I am beyond reproach, I am beyond the law. Ibabangga po natin yun sa prinsipyo na no one should be above the law. No one should have the right to take justice into their own hands. At nakikita naman po natin by the way she skips invitation, harapin yung mga pandinig sa Kongreso, at may pattern talaga yung action niya na parang attitude is impunity, and she should not be subject to legal policies or regulation na naayon sa opisinang kanyang nire-representa.